to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free EVE who also played with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is actually an Ipsy bagging, but also trying out the products. Some of these products I've tried, and there's one product I haven't tried because they're not cruelty-free. Guys, I'm a cruelty-free user. I only use products that are cruelty-free to skincare, to hair care, and makeup, and I'm always wondering about medicines today. But, you know, that's a different story about that, but, well, yeah. So, I'm very excited but not excited about this product because, one, I am definitely going to stop for December because for some reason I do not care for this bag. I don't. I did try to not get this month's bag, but they told me I was going to get a 6th product, and a full-size product actually, and from a brand that I always wanted to try, but they're highly expensive. When I say expensive, I mean expensive. But the good kind of stuff. It's the Glow recipe. I got the Watermelon Glow Lip Pop Nourishing and Smoothing. It comes like this. I do not know what the price is, but I bet they're a lot of money. Smells like watermelon, smells like watermelon candy. You know, the which one? Jolly Ranchers watermelon. That's what it reminds me of. And that's how much you get. I did try this out, and I really like how it goes, and I understand why people love Glow recipe. And you can tell this has no artificial smells to it. I don't think it has any artificial. Not say it has any. Yeah. Yeah, it has no artificial anything in it, which I don't like. I don't care for artificial stuff in my products. I like go organic, like Yes to other ones that that I like. So I would, if you could ever find this, get it because it's really good. I do like it. There will be a screen right here, or whatever which side that I'm trying it out. So yeah, that's my 6th product. I decided I think I was gonna get this size thing of tub of skincare products, but I didn't. It was fun. That's fine. So this is November 2021. This is the Royal Treatment. Your throwing away slather and ultra moisturizing formula is adorable testosterone and indulge extra dessert because your month is all about you. Pink is that we have telling you our fancy these 5 glam bags with the value of this is $50 up. $50+, which that's a lot less than I got in last month. But oh well. Okay. I'm gonna go with the one I haven't tried. The one I got is the Origins Cheeks and Balance one. This is a deluxe sample, but the full size product is $25, and I don't know if my camera's going to show it right, but I don't know. I did not use this product because it's not cruelty free. I heard really good things about Origins, but they're not cruelty free, so I won't be using it. I will put it in my box or anything. You gotta get it reset. So someone might get this, and there's a lot to do with sometimes you just here get a full size. Next thing I got is Handhold Dermafix Blemish Moisturizer. This is a deluxe sample, and this is $14, which that's not bad. This is made from Korea, made in Korea, so it does have a nice moisturizing effect, but at first it feels like it's really tightening up the skin, and I believe that's just because of whatever it has in it. Perfect for oily and acne prone skin types. This lightweight lotion made 90% naturally derived ingredients like green tea and calamine. That's why it has a tightening effect, because it's calamine. It helps calm inflammation and redness, plus control excess oil production for a clear glowing complexion. Apply over skin after toning. Can be used more than that. I'm definitely going to use this up and see how it does and see if I want to get full size products. I like different kinds of skincare products anyway, because my skin is so finicky and it's so stubborn. It's just one of those things that I just like. Yeah, I have to switch up my products a lot. I've been using up a lot of products, but it's also, you know, this time around, I wish I got this during my monthly. But it did a really good job of drying this part out. I don't know if you can see on the right here. I had like acne right here, and it dried out pretty well, and I did like it. So I'm definitely going to see if I can find this on the website and get full size. And it's only $14, so that's not bad for this product. So the next product is Kinship Mint Mud Deep Pore Detox Mask. It is clean, vegan, and cruelty free. It is $23. This stuff, it did a good job of drying out the acne, because I did use this before I prepped my skin. I did wash my face and I put it on. Usually I don't do that. I usually just put the mask on, there you go, clear it up, and then wash my face. This is the size, and the full size for this is $23. For something that is a very light formula, like a very light mask. Now, I'm so used to with heavy masks that I prefer that. So let's read it. Give your skin a deep clean this fast-acting mask. It uses 2 stellar exfoliators, lactic acid, and jojoba oil beads that work together to help remove smooth, radiant, bentonite and kylo help detox pores, detox pores and balance oil production. Apply clean, dry skin and let it sit up for 10 minutes. It's not a heavy product, and I think it's because it helps exfoliate the skin. It did okay, but I like a rougher exfoliated, and I know a lot of people don't like apricot scrub, but I do like that. To me, it helps with my acne a lot. I've used liquid exfoliators, like I'm just like ADHD. Those from trying to think of a brand, like Glow Tonic and all of that. That one brand. I can't remember it. Why can I remember? Pixie Beauty. There we go. I remember it from Pixie. I do like that one, and I'm definitely willing to get a full size one, maybe. Because I like to switch up my products. And during the the winter time, I like glowy skin for natural reasons, but for all that. But I like to a little bit glow in mine. But with this one, you can use it 3 times a week, which this one probably not even that, to tell you the truth. But will I repurchase this? I don't think I would, because I like my Queen Helen one, and that one, I mean, definitely get some more. Okay, I might mispronounce this. Tenanis, or Tenamus. I don't know. I'm bad with pronouncing correctly. Anyway, Liquid Kajal and Starless Night. This stuff is black as heck. It's hard to come off too. Want to give your cat eyes some flair? Then you'll love this jet black eyeliner. This formula is super saturated, long lasting, and totally smudge proof. Plus, the precise pen tip makes it easy to create the perfect wing. And this is a full size, and it costs $27. Yeah, this is the most expensive one that I got out of this bag. As you can see in the video, I did a look in that video, and I will put the link up there, you can see it. Let's say this is definitely black as night. Compared to the one I got from last month, whoop, both of them are really good. I like them. But I'm like, this is why I don't buy eyeliner at all. I don't buy eyeliner. I don't. Because that's what Ipsy does to me. It's like, why are you doing this? I want different colors, man, not just black. Just saying, I want yellow, I want blue. But it's nice to have black eyeliner. Really. So, next up, it's the last product, which I'm really excited about. Which, more products to use up. It's the Unicorn Glow Long Wear Primer. Which, this stuff, holy crap! Well, $12. And guess what? I'm definitely going to get a full-size product out of this. Wow, only 2 products. Actually, 3 products I probably would repurchase or purchase at some point. Flawless makeup starts with this primer. It instantly creates a smooth, glowing canvas for a long-lasting makeup application thanks to a moisturizing durable oil and shea butter and anti-inflammatory compound and concealer arts Agiteca extract. Oh, this is good for acne. If you got acne, this is really good. Like, if you got really oily skin, it's not, because the caramel in it, it helps with the skin to be so inflammatory, especially when you have acne. I'm definitely going to get a full size, so that will be in my list. And I'm definitely going to get this. I don't think it gave me a glowy thing because I use matte foundation, so I don't know. But it helps with the moisturizing. I could tell my face was full of moisturizer when I put it on. It didn't like, ooh, it's so sticky. Like you can feel sometimes oil, especially when you have oily skin or acne skin. I'm definitely gonna get I'm definitely gonna have to get some more. So that's I'm trying to do math in my head. Here we go. 14 plus. Give me a minute. Okay, I add them up. It's $91. $90 worth of products here. Ooh. That's not bad. I'm going to be honest with you. It's not bad, but not too happy about that. The only time I won't keep Ipsy because of the deals I got. And the products. There's 2 things that I don't like. I'm not picky, but still, I am picky. I can't use Origins because it's good for acne and balancing out your skin. And I've admitted it. And I can't use it because it's not cruelty-free. Origins. Big cruelty-free here. So that's for somebody. I'm definitely going to repurchase this one and get a bigger size because I do like it, especially for the time of the month. Acne from Ty Johns or Chanzins. Hard to pronounce. I would repurchase this because it's really good, but for $27, it has to be on the 7. Just saying, it has to be on the 7. The Unicorn Glow for $12, I'm definitely repurchase. I don't care if it's in sale or not. I'm definitely repurchase. So, 3 things I'm really repurchase. This one is okay, but not my favorite. I threw it on the floor. I'm gonna use it up and just say, yeah, I'm done with that product. So, for $91 for 2 things that I will not ever repurchase. I'm glad I get to try it. That's one thing about Ipsy. You get to try the product to see if you like it or not. And that's the point of Ipsy's Glam Bag. Okay? That's the point. Anyway. But, that's all I have to say. The bag, I feel like it's cute. Got cat hair because I got cats. But this is a really cute bag. I do like it. And I am giving it to my sister because she likes green. And she likes to use these bags for anything she can use it for. and I'm going to give it to her. So for out of 3 products, out of 2, that's not bad. This one says it's not bad for $91, worth of $91. Plus I got 6 products that I really enjoy. And yes, I would have repurchased this was on sale. So 4 out of 2 products. That's not bad. I'm gonna be honest. It's not bad at all. Am I disappointed? Yes, I am very disappointed. I think from everybody's reviews, what I've noticed, they're really disappointed in this bag. And I would have to agree with them. It's very disappointing. But yeah. So guys, I think this is it for today's video. If you liked today's video, hit the like button. Want to see more videos like this? Let me know down below, because something new from Ipsy Glam is coming up. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And my eye wants to. My eye, man. One of those days, I guess. You want to check that out soon for next month, because Ipsy Glam has updated everything. And I'm very excited you'll get to know more about that next month. I'm very excited because it's still $19.99, which I do like. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to know about that video coming up next month. And also hit the notification bell, so you'll be notified of any new videos I upload. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at, and I love you, and God bless.